The diesel silent generator is an upgraded version of the original diesel generator. It is equipped with a soundproof cover and noise reduction measures, ensuring that the operating noise is contained within the range of 60 to 75 decibels. ATS devices can be added, suitable for use in hospitals, schools, residential areas, hotels, and office buildings as backup cover sources. The Pure Copper sources employs the most advanced diesel engine combined with a full copper-free brushless generator. It has strong noise capacity,